Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are doing the January Vegancuts Beauty Box unboxing. It just came today. Mine doesn't come in a box since like the snack box too. They tucked this into the snack box. So it came in this little pouch. Here's the card. This box supports Asha and friends at Finding Shelter Animal Rescue in southeastern Pennsylvania. So there's Asha. Cute. It looks like we have 5 items in this month's subscription. So let's go ahead and get to opening the little pouch it came in. Okay, so this is a big one, so we're going to do this one first. From Anne-Marie, this is the Restore Sample Kit for dry/mature skin types. So here's what that looks like. Let me read to you about that. Says this is a $10 value. Kit includes pH balanced aloe herb cleanser and anti-aging facial oil infused with chia, goji berry, and broccoli. Apply cleanser, damp skin, massage and rinse. Follow with anti-aging facial oil. Dab on nose, chin, cheeks, forehead, blending with gentle strokes. So I'm going to have to read through the ingredients, which luckily they do have here, to see if this is something I would consider putting on my skin. But that aside, this is kind of neat. So I don't want to take up all of our time reading through 2 different products of ingredients, because that is a lot. There's a lot of ingredients there, but let's open this up and take a look. Need scissors. Okay, I'm in. Let's pull out the goodies inside. So they are in 2 little cardboard sample packs. Oh, and there's a coupon on the inside. I think it might be a personalized code, so I'm not going to read that in case I want to use it. But it is for $10 off of your next purchase. So this is the cleanser and this is the anti-aging oil. I will always use the cleanser, so no problem with the ingredients there. But if you see me in a future empties video and I mention I used this on my body, it'll be because I didn't like one of the ingredients. So very, very curious. I really like the sample packaging. I think this is very chic. Glad everything is made of paper, so it's easily recyclable. So that's kind of cool. Next in our pouch, let's see. Well, this is a big, like, full-size item, it feels like. This is the Derma E Hydrating Night Cream with hyaluronic acid. Love how huge this size is. So let's see, this is a $29.50 value. Intensely hydrating hyaluronic acid paired with restorative vitamins and antioxidants to replenish complexion while you sleep. In the evening after cleansing face, apply a rich layer onto the face and neck. Gently massage into the skin until absorbed. I will have to look up what the ingredients for this one is because it does not appear to be featured on the bottle. But like with any other product, if and when you see it in my empties video, if I mention I use it on my body, I didn't love the ingredients. If I tell you I used it on my face, then the ingredients were good. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I love that this is such a full size. It's gigantic. It's like huge. Like, look at that. Huge. Next item. This must be a face mask. This is from CBDFX, I guess is the brand name. The Hemp Cucumber Face Mask. Hydrating and tightening. So yeah, CBDFX is the brand name. It's the CBD Cucumber, or I guess there must have been an alternative one, charcoal face mask for $5.99. Transform your skin in minutes with spa quality active botanicals, essential oils, and 20 milligrams of CBD. Place the mask on a cleansed face, allow 10 minutes for absorption, remove, gently pat the remaining serum into the skin, no need to rinse. So there's that. I am on the beginning baby steps of being more picky with sheet masks, but I don't immediately see anything terrible in this. I'll give it a closer look later on, but I haven't quite completely taken face masks with fragrance out of my routine just yet. I think it will be coming along the line after I finish things up. But when I get things like this in a box, I'm probably just going to use it just because they're fun. So excited to try that. I'm not big on the CBD thing, not because I think it's like bad or anything. I just don't know that like hemp CBD is going to do anything to help your face. I think you'd need like actual CBD. Does that make sense? I don't know. Austin goes off on rants telling me all about how there's certain ways certain things are extracted from certain plants versus other. All I know is I don't know if it's going to do a great deal of anything on your face in a face mask form. So, next item. Oh, this is exciting. This is exciting. Hold on. I am on the bottom half of my top coat right now. Is this a top coat? Or is this an oil? Oh, it's a base coat. Even better, because I finished mine a while back and didn't even buy a new one. So this is from Dr. Remedy. It's the Biosourced Base Coat. I'm actually very, very jazzed for that. Yay, it's something I actually needed and was being too lazy to buy. So it is an $18 value for this. Wow. The eco-friendly base coat is enriched with garlic bulb extract, tea tree oil, as well as vitamin A and E for healthier, nourished nails. Apply a single coat as a base coat for colored polish application, or wear alone for a healthy natural nail look. Very excited about that. This month's box is very exciting. Last item. This is from Spring. It's the 2-in-1 Moisture Lock Mist. So here is what that looks like. I like this light blue marketing packaging. So let's see. This is a $7.50 value. This hydrating toner and essence hybrid is your perfect day or anytime companion, nourishing and calming. It can be used to lock in moisture all day, extend the life of makeup, or be used anytime for a refreshing boost. Close your eyes and gently mist over the face, lightly pat or allow to air dry. So once again, we don't have ingredients on this one, but because it's so light, I'm probably just going to use it anyway. I haven't quite, well, I have started being a little more strict with sprays and spray on toner type things, but we'll see. I just like them so much. They're just, sprays are so, and mists are so like refreshing and nice. So I haven't been as strict about removing fragrance in those type of steps, but we'll see. I have to look this up, but I do think it looks nice. It looks really moisturizing. I don't know if you could tell, but like there are moisturizing bits sticking to the sides of the container, so that's really exciting. I think I love the January subscription. I'm excited for all of these things, even though I need to look up the ingredients on a couple of the items. I know I'm going to use them all in some capacity, which I really like when I know I'm going to use everything and I don't feel compelled to give any of it away. So I'm very, very jazzed about this month's box, and I couldn't be happier. So I would love to know, did you get the Vegancuts box? Did you get this mask or the charcoal one after you use it? If you got the charcoal one, let me know how you like it. And yeah, I'm so pleased. I hope you enjoyed the video. I definitely enjoyed unboxing it all. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Bye.